Hello, Wild Chefs! Charlie here, and today we're making the coolest holiday snack ever, Snowball Bite.
To start, you'll need shredded coconut, powdered sugar, condensed milk, and mini marshmallows. Wild Chefs, mix your coconut, powdered sugar, and condensed milk together. Let it get sticky like snow.
Now grab a mini marshmallow and give it a snowy coat. Roll, 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 little snowballs of yum.
You can decorate with sprinkles or chocolate chips. Make each snowball your own. Place your snowball bites on a tray and into the fridge. Give them 10 minutes to chill, like a snow day nap. I'm just waiting for the gingerbread cheetahs to cool. Soft, sweet, and snowy, just like Christmas morning. Snowball bites are officially Wild Chef approved.
Yay! Snowball bites!
Thanks for cooking with me, Wild Chefs. Remember to like, subscribe, and share these holiday smiles.
Stay wild, stay kind, and Merry Christmas from all of us at Charlie's Wild Chef Kitchen.